Hi guys, I'm Sunny and welcome back to Sunny's Effing Delicious. Today we're making the ultimate Galaxy hot chocolate using real Galaxy chocolate bars. Let's do this. Right, we're going to start by warming up our milk in a pan. That's 1.5 cups of milk. The pan is a little bit hot there. And we're going to put 2 tablespoons of sugar. And just give that a stir, and I'm going to let that come to the boil. And we're just going to add some chocolate. Okay, so I'm going in with 2 bars of Galaxy, and if we need more, we'll add more. And this video is actually dedicated to my wife. She's not well at the moment. She's in Canada, and this is her favorite chocolate. So, son, if you were here, this will cheer you up. Right, Galaxy, just gonna bars of chocolate, and we're just gonna slice it up into thin little shavings, and just get your beautiful little shavings of chocolate, and just place them into your boiling milk. Wonderful. And don't waste any of that chocolate. Get it all in there. Alright, keep it moving. We're going to go in with a teaspoon of cocoa powder. And I've just decided to move over to a whisk. And guys, this isn't thick enough for me. I'm going to go in with another bar of Galaxy. And go straight in. Beautiful. Go big or go home, that's what I say. Right guys, while this is thickening up nicely, we're just going to grab some cornstarch and some milk. So just literally a couple of tablespoons of milk, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and we're just going to give it a stir just to create a little slurry. Make sure there's no lumps, and then just pour your slurry into your hot chocolate while stirring. And what this is going to do is going to thicken it up so you get a nice, thick, umptuous, creamy hot chocolate. And straight away, once you add the cornstarch, you can see the color changes, the consistency changes. It just gets nice and thick and umptuous, and that's exactly what you want. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful hot chocolate. Another minute and we're done. Right guys, this is now the perfect consistency. Let's take this off the heat and pour it into our cup. Right guys, let's give this a go. Oh my God, that's so thick. Beautiful. Look at that. And we're just going to top with some beautiful whipped cream. And finally, just a touch of cocoa powder, just to dust on top. And just to garnish, we're going to place a beautiful bit of Galaxy just on top. And there you have it guys, this is my perfect Galaxy hot chocolate. Outstanding. Right, this is what I call a hot chocolate. Right, I'm going to give it a good stir, get that cream in there. Right, let's give this a try. Oh my God. Oh my God. So good. And that is without doubt the best hot chocolate I have ever tried in my life. Make this at home tonight. All you need is cream, milk and Galaxy. Make this at home like I showed you. Outstanding. Guys, this isn't just delicious, this is Sunny's effing delicious.